everybody prepare for takeoff. Put your phones in airplane mode, and it should be a smooth ride all the way through. Clear skies.
Man, I'm not finna put my phone on airplane mode. That don't even do nothing, bro.